Over 60? Eat this yogurt daily to rebuild muscles and protect your joints. What if one simple cup of yogurt could decide whether you stay strong on your feet or struggle to stand tomorrow? Just last month, a 72-year-old man from Florida collapsed in his kitchen. The cause wasn't his heart. It was weak leg muscles slowly wasting away from years of healthy habits gone wrong. After 60, this happens to millions who don't realize their yogurt choice matters more than they think. In this video, you'll discover the right kind of yogurt that helps rebuild muscles and protect your joints, and the biggest mistake most seniors make will be revealed at the very end. 1. Greek yogurt, the foundation. Greek yogurt might look like a simple snack, but for people over 60, it can quietly protect their strength, balance, and bone health more than most realize. Each serving delivers about 15 to 20 grams of protein along with calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics that aging bodies depend on. According to the National Institute on Aging, adults lose nearly 1% of muscle mass every year after 50. That steady decline, called sarcopenia, weakens legs, slows movement, and makes everyday tasks harder. Greek yogurt helps slow this loss by giving muscles the fuel they need to stay strong and flexible. Robert, a 71-year-old retired teacher from Ohio, once started his mornings with only coffee and toast. Last year, he slipped, fractured his hip, and was told his diet lacked enough protein to maintain muscle. His doctor suggested Greek yogurt. After a few weeks of eating it every morning with berries, Robert noticed steadier legs and quicker recovery from fatigue. A 2022 Journal of Nutrition study found that seniors who ate one serving of high-protein dairy daily preserved stronger legs and better bone density. Greek yogurt also provides calcium and vitamin D, the perfect team for bone protection. The National Osteoporosis Foundation notes that calcium builds bone strength while vitamin D improves absorption. Many seniors, especially in winter, don't get enough sunlight or dairy, which leads to weaker bones and a higher fracture risk. One serving of Greek yogurt fills that gap naturally. Because it's strained, it contains less lactose, making it easier to digest for sensitive stomachs. Its probiotics offer another hidden benefit. Research from Harvard Medical School and the Cleveland Clinic shows that healthy gut bacteria can reduce inflammation throughout the body, even in joints. When the gut is balanced, the immune system stays calmer, leading to less stiffness and swelling. For older adults with sore knees or slow digestion, that balance can feel life-changing. Greek yogurt's versatility makes it easy to enjoy. Eat it plain, blend it into smoothies, or use it in place of sour cream. Add blueberries or walnuts for antioxidants and healthy fats. But beware of flavored versions. Many contain added sugars that trigger inflammation. The American Heart Association recommends choosing plain, unsweetened yogurt with at least 15 grams of protein per serving. Think of Greek yogurt as the first building block of healthy aging, affordable, effective, and proven by science. It strengthens muscles, supports bones, and soothes your gut, all in one bowl. But remember, muscle alone isn't enough. Your joints also need nutrients that keep them flexible and pain-free. That's why the next type of yogurt we'll explore, omega-3 yogurt, is the real joint lubricant your body's been missing. Don't miss it, because if you stop here, your progress might stay half-finished. And if you're still watching right now, comment the number 1 below, so I know you're here and ready for the next step towards stronger, smoother movement every day. 2. Omega-3 yogurt, the joint lubricant. For most people over 60, joint pain feels like a slow thief stealing comfort, mobility, and the simple joy of movement. Your knees creak when you get up, your hips feel tight after sitting, and even light walking can leave your legs aching. What many don't realize is that this stiffness often isn't just old age. It's partly because your joints are losing their natural lubrication, silky fluid called synovial fluid, that lets your bones move smoothly. As we age, that fluid dries up, and inflammation makes things even worse. That's where omega-3 yogurt comes in. Delicious, science-backed way to bring flexibility back from the inside out. This yogurt combines the rich protein of Greek yogurt with the healing fats found in salmon, flaxseed, or chia. Omega-3 fatty acids are like tiny fire extinguishers inside your body. They put out the flames of chronic inflammation that stiffen your joints and make every movement feel heavy. According to the National Institutes of Health, omega-3s reduce key inflammatory markers such as CRP and TNF-alpha, which are directly linked to arthritis and muscle soreness. When mixed with yogurt, these fats become even more effective because probiotics improve nutrient absorption and calm the gut, which scientists now recognize as a central hub for inflammation control. A balanced gut means a calmer immune system and calmer joints. Carol, a 68-year-old retired nurse from Arizona, discovered this the hard way. She had loved gardening for years, but after her 60s, her knees became so stiff she could hardly kneel to plant her flowers. Painkillers offered short relief but upset her stomach. Then her doctor suggested she try adding omega-3 rich foods into her daily meals. She began mixing a spoonful of ground flaxseed and a few drops of fish oil into a bowl of Greek yogurt each morning. Within 3 weeks, her mornings felt easier. After 2 months, she said she could finally garden again without that sharp pain that used to greet her every sunrise. Her story isn't unique. It's a quiet example of how food, not pills, can sometimes become the most natural form of healing. You can easily make your own omega-3 yogurt at home. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, chia seeds, or a drizzle of omega-3 oil, like fish or algae oil, to plain Greek yogurt. Let it sit for 5 minutes so the fats mix in completely. This combination supports joint health in 2 ways. The omega-3s rebuild lubrication inside your joints, and the probiotics in yogurt strengthen your gut barrier, preventing the kind of inflammation that spreads through the whole body. A 2023 Mayo Clinic report found that older adults who consumed omega-3s consistently for 12 weeks showed significant improvement in flexibility and less morning stiffness compared to those who didn't. The benefits go beyond joints. Omega-3s also improve heart health and brain clarity, 2 things every senior values deeply. The Arthritis Foundation notes that people who eat at least 2 servings of omega-3s foods per week often experience better mobility and fewer flare-ups of arthritis. But not all yogurts are created equal. Avoid pre-flavored or sugary versions. Added sugar can trigger inflammation and undo the benefit. Always pick plain, unsweetened yogurt with at least 15 grams of protein and flavor it naturally with berries or a drizzle of honey. Omega-3 yogurt is more than a healthy snack. It's a daily act of self-care that helps your body move like it used to. Think of it as giving your joints an oil change every morning. But here's the catch. Rebuilding lubrication isn't enough if you don't address the root cause of inflammation itself. The next yogurt we'll explore does exactly that. It targets inflammation at the genetic level and helps your body calm pain before it even starts. Don't stop here, because if you skip the next step, all the progress you've made could stall right where it is. And if you're still watching, show your support like this video and subscribing so you don't miss the next secret that could completely change how your body feels tomorrow. 3. Turmeric yogurt, the anti-inflammatory blend. If your knees ache the moment you get out of bed or your fingers feel stiff when you try to make breakfast, you're not alone. Chronic inflammation affects millions of Americans over 60, turning small daily movements into painful reminders of aging. But here's something you may not know. One of the most powerful natural solutions could already be sitting in your kitchen spice rack: turmeric. When blended with full-fat yogurt, this golden powder turns into a gentle, creamy anti-inflammatory remedy that can soothe joints and help restore flexibility from the inside out. The key lies in curcumin, turmeric's active compound. Curcumin has been proven in hundreds of studies to block the very genes that trigger inflammation. According to research from Harvard Medical School and the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NIH, curcumin interferes with inflammatory molecules like NF-κB and COX-2, the same pathways targeted by many pain medications, but without their harsh side effects. Mary, a 69-year-old from Florida, used to describe her mornings as a battle. Her hands were so stiff that buttoning a shirt felt impossible, and her knees ached every time she climbed the stairs. Her daughter suggested a natural experiment, adding turmeric yogurt to her breakfast every day. Mary mixed half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper into a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt, sometimes topping it with cinnamon or honey for taste. Within 3 weeks, she noticed that her swelling had eased, and by the second month, she said she could finally grip a cup of coffee again without pain. It wasn't magic, it was science at work. The black pepper increased curcumin's absorption by nearly 20 times, while the healthy fats in yogurt helped deliver those anti-inflammatory compounds straight into her bloodstream. This combination is backed by strong evidence. A 2023 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine reviewed more than 50 human studies and found that curcumin significantly reduced C-restrictive protein, CRP, a key marker of inflammation. The results were most effective when curcumin was consumed with fats, exactly what yogurt provides. In addition, probiotics in yogurt help strengthen the gut lining, which plays a surprising role in inflammation control. The Cleveland Clinic explains that an unhealthy gut allows toxins to leak into the bloodstream, triggering immune overreactions that make arthritis symptoms worse. Turmeric yogurt, therefore, works on two levels. It calms inflammation in the joints and restores balance in the gut. You can easily make it at home. Mix half a teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder with 1 cup of full DAC Greek yogurt. Add a pinch of black pepper and, if you like, a dash of cinnamon or honey for taste. Let it sit for a few minutes so the nutrients blend. Eat it as a snack or alongside your breakfast. Many seniors say it helps ease morning stiffness and gives them a sense of comfort and warmth. Ike internal sunshine for the joints. The beautiful golden color isn't just pretty. It signals the presence of curcumin, the compound working hard beneath the surface to calm your body's overactive inflammation response. Still, consistency is key. Curcumin isn't a quick fit. It builds up its effects gradually. Most people notice meaningful changes after 4 to 6 weeks of daily use. And while turmeric yogurt can't replace prescribed medication for severe arthritis, it's a gentle, supportive habit you can maintain for life. If you're already taking blood thinners, talk to your doctor first, as turmeric may slightly affect clotting. Aside from that, it's one of the safest, most researched natural remedies available for seniors today. Turmeric yogurt isn't just about pain relief. It's about regaining confidence in your body again, being able to walk without fear, stretch without wincing, and enjoy your mornings with less stiffness. But reducing inflammation is only half the story. To truly rebuild your joints and strengthen what time has worn down, your body needs one final ingredient, something that restores structure from within. That's what we'll explore next: collagen yogurt, the most powerful and rejuvenating yogurt of them all. You won't want to miss it, because without this last piece, all the effort you've made so far could stop just short of full recovery. And before we move on, if you're still watching right now, comment below and tell me, have you ever tried adding turmeric to your meals or drinks? I'd love to know your experience. 4. Collagen yogurt, the rebuilder, strongest. For most people over 60, joint pain isn't just discomfort. It's a daily struggle that makes every step harder. What many don't know is that one key protein quietly fades with age: collagen. Collagen gives strength to your joints, skin, tendons, and ligaments. Once you pass 50, your body produces far less of it. According to Harvard Health and the National Institutes of Health, this decline leads to thinner cartilage, stiffer joints, slower recovery, and even wrinkles. But there's a simple, natural way to support your body's repair system again: collagen yogurt, a delicious mix that helps rebuild from the inside out. This special yogurt combines Greek yogurt's rich protein and calcium with collagen peptides, vitamin C, and zinc, the same nutrients your body uses to repair cartilage and connective tissue. When you eat it regularly, you're not just easing pain, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild. A 2022 Journal of Nutrition study found that seniors who took collagen daily for 12 weeks experienced better joint comfort, flexibility, and even thicker cartilage. Meet Susan, a 68-year-old grandmother from Texas. She loved morning walks but had to stop because of knee pain. Her daughter, a nutritionist, suggested mixing a scoop of collagen powder into plain Greek yogurt with berries and pumpkin seeds. In just 2 months, her stiffness improved, and she was walking again without pain. Stories like Susan's are becoming more common as more doctors recommend food-based collagen support instead of relying solely on supplements. Here's how to make it at home. Mix 1 cup of Greek yogurt with a scoop of unflavored collagen powder, add half a cup of berries for vitamin C, and sprinkle seeds or nuts for zinc. Vitamin C helps your body build new collagen, while zinc and protein strengthen bones and muscles. The yogurt's probiotics improved gut health, which boosts nutrient absorption and helps reduce inflammation, creating the perfect environment for healing. Unlike pills or creams that only mask pain, collagen yogurt works from within. It helps rebuild cartilage, strengthens tendons, and even improves skin elasticity and hair thickness. According to the Cleveland Clinic, people over 60 who add collagen to their diet consistently report smoother movement and fewer flare-ups of arthritis pain. Think of this as your body's repair fuel, simple, natural, and science-backed. But remember, collagen rebuilds gradually, not overnight. It takes 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use to see real change, so stay patient and make it part of your morning routine. And here's the best part. It doesn't just help your joints. You may notice your skin looks brighter and your nails grow stronger too. Collagen yogurt is the final step in rebuilding what time has worn down. But before you grab your next spoonful, don't stop here. In the next part, we'll tie everything together and show you how these 4 yogurts work in harmony for long-term strength and independence. And if you're still watching right now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me if you've ever tried collagen or how long you've been dealing with joint pain. Your story might inspire someone else to start healing today. Aging well isn't about doing more. It's about giving your body what it truly needs. When you combine protein from Greek yogurt, omega-3 fats for joint lubrication, turmeric to calm inflammation, and collagen to rebuild strength, you don't just move more easily, you feel younger from the inside out. Small habits like these can change everything. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of yogurt you will try first. And if you share this helpful tip with your friends, they'll truly thank you for it.